no experience, no internship, no brand name on your resume sounds like dead end, right? But what if I told you that there is a step-by-step way to still get a first job even in 2025? So in this particular video, we'll be talking about all those things and who am I, what am I, what do I do? Hi, my name is Anurag Shrivastava. I have started my journey in data without any big company name, without any IIT tag or full-time internships. So today I work as a data engineer and I have helped many freshers, many professionals to break into the data field using their practical strategies and not just motivation. So in this video, I'll walk through to all those things and I'll be explaining you like how to land to a first job as in data domain, even if you have zero professional experience. So we'll be talking about those things. And in this video, especially for the college students, freshers, and people who are trying to switch into the data domain from any of the background. It can be a non-tech background, it can be a tech background. So I'll be discussing those steps. So let's start with the first step. That is step 1. Learn what matters for the role and what you want. Basically, first thing. Let me clarify that data isn't just one thing. There are different roles like data analyst, business analyst, data engineer, BI developer, and even data QA analyst are there. So basically each has its own skill set. So before you jump into a learning like random tools, decide your own path. Firstly, you should decide what field you want to give. For example, if I tell you some of the things, that is, firstly, if you want to become a data analyst, then Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, these all things you need. If you want to become a data engineer, Python, Spark, SQL, ETL tools, cloud basics, these all things are needed. Next thing, if you want to become business analyst, Excel, SQL, domain understanding and communication skills are very, very important. These things are important. And if you want to become a data scientist, at that point you need Python, statistics, ML algorithms, pandas, scikit-learn, these kind of things you want. So basically choose your own path and focus on the learning accordingly. Like it will save your months of confusion. Basically it will save a lot of time. That is the first step. Second step is build your own projects and replace it with your experience. There is a non-negotiable. This is very non-negotiable. If you don't have a company experience, your project becomes your experience firstly. So try to understand it. And trust me, recruiters value it and well-documented, real-looking projects over the generic courses certification. So this is very important. Some easy and some impactful ideas will change these things. If I give you an example, like cleaning messy Excel CSVs data using Python and like pandas, analyze sales e-commerce data using SQL and visualize in Power BI, then create an ETL pipeline using Python and fetch API data and load into a database. Then you can do an EDA, that is exploratory data analysis you can do on a Kaggle dataset and present the insights. Then even you can even 2 or 3 strong projects in your resume these can be hosted on GitHub or dashboards on the Tableau public can get you shortlisted in different kind of interviews. By the way, if you are someone who doesn't want to figure this all by alone, so I run my boot camps where I teach everything about Python, everything about the data domain in SQL, Databricks, and even mock interviews I take. So if you are interested in joining this, just you can go in the description and I have given a direct link. You can go and join in and I'll be teaching you in directly. I have helped previously hundreds of learners to build their portfolios and get noticed in the market. So I can do for you also. Next thing, if we talk about the third step, that is learn from free. You can learn from free or any of the structured resources. You don't need to spend 50,000 rupees on courses. Some of the best content is for free and of the low cost also, so you can do that. Here is whether if I would have started, then you can do Google Data Analytics certificate, great for analyst people. Then Microsoft Learn for the Power BI, free. It is very free. Official modules are there of Microsoft. You can learn from there. Next thing, Kaggle courses of there are of SQL, Python, pandas, ML, so you can do that. YouTube, yes, including full-time practical walkthroughs on your own, I have done on my own channel. You can go and do it there. The goal is to not just complete the courses but to build the projects, and from each one, that is the main motive. Step 4 is basically build an online presence that proves your work. That is very important. Even without a job, you can start showcasing the skills in the public. You don't need that. Post regularly on LinkedIn and it builds the trust to the recruiters that these people are working directly with some of the projects. Some easy content ideas if I give you, that can be build my first dashboard with Power BI. Here is a snapshot on LinkedIn you can do. Used pandas on to clean 50,000 rows and of messy data. Took 2 hours but learn a lot. These kind of things you can do. Analyze food delivery trends using SQL, and here is the 3 business insights that I have taken. Next thing, you can also update your GitHub with clear, well commented project code, even a Notion portfolio will work. Like a Notion portfolio page will with all the your project links can work wonders. It will definitely help you a lot. I am telling with my experience. Next thing, step 5, apply smart, not everywhere. Just don't randomly apply. If you are just clicking on apply on Naukri, LinkedIn, and you are doing that what 10 lakh other people are doing, so don't do that. Instead of use these fresher friendly platforms such as InstaHire, CutShot, AngelList, Talent, then Hirect, company career pages are there, especially Zoho, Misho, Razorpay, these kind of companies you can check. Don't forget to tailor your resume with according to each profile, each role. Highlight your project's work upfront, that is very important. Next thing, mention your GitHub and dashboard links. It makes the huge difference. It makes a very huge difference. That is one thing. Then also apply for the internship. Even if it is an unpaid ones, it will give you an experience. Many of my students got the full-time offers after just one internship project, so you can also do that. If we talk about the next step, that is sixth step, don't wait for to be very perfect. One of the biggest trap that you will do, I will apply after I learn this one more thing and then I will be perfect, then I apply. No, start now na. You can start just now. You don't need to be perfect, you need to be consistent on and confident. Perfection will come, like that thing will come. Even if you just know SQL and Power BI, you can apply for the analyst loan. Even if you have built some 2 small projects, start showcasing them. That is very, very important. Even if you failed your 3 interviews, you will learn a lot what to improve, what all things to do. Remember even companies know freshers won't be very perfect. What they care about is your intent, clarity, and proof of work. That is the most important thing. And if we I talked about many points, if I give a quick recap that you should do, basically choose a specific data role that you need to focus upon on the learning, then build 2 to 3 quality projects and document them publicly. That is very, very important. Post on the LinkedIn, post on the GitHub. That is very important. Tag me, you can tag me definitely. Learn from free structured courses, not from the any random tutorials of YouTube. That is very important. Build your visual presence on GitHub plus LinkedIn. That you have to do right away after watching this video. Apply on the right platforms with the custom resume. That is very, very important. As per the job description, tailor your resume, then apply. Don't wait, apply even when you are learning. Final note with the bootcamp plug I have given, that you can just go and do it. And again, if you want to structured guidance, accountability, real line feedback, hands-on experience, my bootcamps cover everything, and I have taught many people around it. So definitely you can also join in. From Python, SQL, Power BI, and to resume building, mock interviews, how to apply, actual portfolio creations, I have taught people this. So definitely I can teach you also. We have had an amazing result, even the people who have started from the scratch. So definitely you can do that. If you like this video, please do comment and please let me know. If you have any doubts, please comment down and let me know. It will be I'll try to reply personally as soon as possible as I see your message. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Apart from this, you can also follow this channel. I have been posting many videos around data domain, around interviews, around jobs, around guidance. Definitely it will help you. Other than that, there is a vlog channel that I have created that you can just go if you want to see something I post my personal life. I show my experiences. I have been settled in Bangalore for about 4.5 years. I share my experiences and all, my life, my fun, everything. And apart from that, you can also connect me over Instagram, LinkedIn. Many people are there who have followed me there. So definitely you can also follow out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Bye bye.